What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In this video we're drawing Rush from Roblox doors. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, come in towards the middle and bottom, and back up towards the top. Now you want to see the inside edge over on the left side of each eye. So we're going to start from the very top, come all the way around, and then down towards the bottom, go to the right side, and do the same thing. Let's add a fold underneath each eye, starting over on the left, curve this down, and then out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now let's draw on the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the eye, curve the mouth coming down in the middle, go across, and then up. Now let's overlap the side of the mouth. We're going to step in, curve around, and then in. And just bend that down toward the bottom edge of the mouth. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle, and then we'll bring that back up. Now I'm going to draw the edge of the teeth along the top. We're going to start right in the middle with a curve coming down and then up toward the left. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Now on the left side, we're going to continue to add these curves going all the way out towards the side of the mouth. Go back to the right and do the same thing. And now we want to connect each of these points with a curve going up towards the top of the mouth and then back down, almost like a half oval. And then just work our way over towards the left. And then the last tooth, we're just going to tuck this in towards the side. Now you want to do the same thing along the bottom. We're going to start right in the middle, curve this up and down toward the left and the right side. Then again, just working our way out toward the side of the mouth. Now again, we're going to connect each of these points with a curve coming down and then up. Now just up above the corners of the mouth, let's draw on the cheeks. We'll start out here, bend this out, and then in. And now we're going to chisel the outside edge of the head. Starting back over on the left, angle this down, across towards the inside. Let's round at the bottom, going up, and draw a straight line going up towards the right side. Now I'm going to go back on top of the left cheek and draw on the right side of the head. Start with a curve going up and in. Again, just chiseling the top. Go across, down. I'm just going to bend this across and then down on top of the right cheek. Now I'm going to go in with my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. Let's use that same marker and fill the inside of the mouth in between the teeth. And we're also going to fill in the top and bottom gum line. Now let's go back and add some shadows around the head. Let's start in between the eyes. Start on the left side, we're going to step in. Just trace the inside edge of the eye going around. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's connect the bottom with a straight line, and then the top with a slight curve. Let's add a little bit more shadow on the right side, so we're going to slope this down, come down and out, and then curve the bottom. Let's fill the shadow areas in black. Let's go to the top of the left cheek. It's going to add a shadow going around, up towards the side of the head, and then again, just fill that area in black. Now I'm going to bring the shadow in further on the right side. Starting from the top of the cheek, go around the eye, and in, bend this around, and then back up. Let's go back and fill in that shadow. Now I'm just going to add a few marks around the eyes, just for a fold. And add a few shadows on the side of the head. And bring one down along the top. And then underneath the eye on the right. Now let's add some more shadows underneath the head. Starting on the cheek, and it's up and in. Around the corner of the mouth and in. Step back up, come around, come down underneath the mouth towards the bottom. Let's fill that shadow in black. Let's add a fold on the right side. And let's darken up that shadow coming in. Wrap this around. Down towards the bottom of the head, and again just filling in that shadow. I'm just going to go back and add a few more wrinkles around the mouth. Now let's finish off by signing art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Rush from Roblox Doors. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then try out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.